And so I say, you're not supposed to use those for those. You're supposed to use that for that.
Oh, that was a good one.
Hey guys, I just want to say I'm very grateful that you invited me here. It's hard for me to make friends in a new city, and I'm glad you're giving me the chance.
Aw, Brian. You know, in our company, we're not just colleagues, we're family. And now you are part of it too.
On a different note, can I ask you where the toilet is?
Sure. It's over there. So, John, how are the kids?
Good, yeah. Stephanie's in kindergarten now, which is crazy.
Whose phone is that?
Not mine, but I like this.
I think it's Brian's.
Nice ringtone, Brian.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a friend. And I won't be alone, and I won't cry on my toilet all day. Oh yeah.
I had no idea.
Oh no, it's Daddy on the phone. Why does this mean asshole always make fun of me? Is it because I pissed myself until 23? That rhymes. Yes. New disease, he probably found. Is it in my lungs, my anus, or my mouth? Hey, let's find out.
It's the anus.
You missed a couple of calls. And, you know, I think you've had a hard life. And we're sorry. And we're not just sorry, we're here for you. Because, you know, we said it before. We are family.
I love you all.
Well, let's see what you saying about us.
John ass, Jenna bitch, Rick dick, Sue poo. Family.